Okay, now we're on video 11. We're going to add the GUI to the game control. You know, because we had the GUI all set up for the splash screen. Off the sound, which I should probably turn it off while we're recording. And you got your full screen. Now once we go into here, those things should still be up in here, and you should be able to exit the game if you wanted to from here. So let's do that. So let's open up the game control, and in the draw end, once again, just like this, the splash screen, I'm going to add. What's going on here? Let's say what it is. Start button, and let's add control code, and let's call it GUI buttons. Oops. Excuse me there. Okay, I'm going to draw. Actually, if we go into the splash control, draw in, draw GUI, we can just copy and paste we want the sound, exit, and full screen. Where did I put that? Here's full screen. There's sound. Where's the exit button? Oh, they're all right here. Copy. Now, a little bit different here though. Since we're going to be using the exit button, that looks weird right there. Let's go back to the splash control. Draw end. That shouldn't be working, actually, I don't think. Because if you look, it asks. Oh, yeah, that works fine. Okay. Don't even need that. Actually, we can make this sprite. And make it just sprite exit. Whoops. Deleted too much. And 10. Is that right? Why wouldn't that work? Oh yeah. Remove the extension. Let's make sure that works. Oh, that's why. Okay. Because we wanted it to be dark gray. Okay, anyways, let's go over here, and we're going to have to add that's the exit button. We're going to have to add a global dot exit. I probably should have just did it in the beginning too. Button color. Okay, let's make sure that's in the variables here. It's not yet. So let's grab this. And in the script variables, in the color of the buttons, I'm kind of trying to keep them organized here. Just make it see white. so that when this starts. Okay. Sorry, phone rang again. I gotta turn that off. Damn it. Okay, so there's the sound button, there's the full screen button. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, there's our buttons. Nothing works, which is exactly how it should be working. I want to test something real quick. So if I turn off the sound, I start the game. Okay, good, it's off. Okay, that worked out good. Okay, so before we get those working, let's go ahead and put the boosters up. So we'll open up the splash screen again, draw in. I kind of drew everything in the same thing here, but I'm going to do it separately in the Gamemaker. So that's a nuke, shield, and ship. Let's grab that code, the font too. Yeah, let's make a new one and call it draw boosters. Okay, so it's basically the same code. It should be exactly the same code, and all it does is draw that information as it's being updated when the game is playing. Okay, there's those guys. There's that. There's that. Oh, the score and the level. I'm just going to throw it in here. Just one little place there where all the scoring and level. Maybe even call it something else here. Got boosters, level, score. Okay, let's open up the splash screen. We'll be able to find it in here. Where are we at here? This where I did it? Level and score. Okay. Okay, so it should be the exact same code. It's just on the other controller. And I'm just kind of separating it out a little bit. Okay, so there we are. There's our start screen. And we got to get the full screen and the sound working. And then we'll do the exit menu before we even go into the starting of the game. Okay, so in the step, let's add another code, and we'll call this check GUI. And we should be able to just reuse the scripts that we have. So script check sound and script check full screen. And we haven't set up the exit aspect yet. I think I'll do that in the next one. So bam, bam, and you shouldn't see anything right now, but I do, and it's working. And that doesn't do anything at this point, or the start. Okay. Okay, to create the, I guess I'll start into it a little bit here. To create the exit menu, I'm going to get into script variables, and let's create global dot exit on equals false. Okay. Let's copy it so I can use it fast. And I think I'm going to add another code piece to the game controller in the step. I'm going to add code. And I'm going to say if game exit on is false. So if it's not on, then it's gonna work right. If it equals false, I guess I'll just keep it really simple right now, because there's a little bit of complication to this. Okay, so if it's not on, oh no, if it is on, and do something else, we're gonna, at this point, we're just gonna script check. We haven't made it yet, but exit button. That's all it's going to do at this point. All we're going to do is do a hover on it. So in scripts, create a script and call it script check exit button, and that error should go away. So since exit on is not on, it's going to check it. Check exit button. And once again, I'm going to do the variable thing again, and it's at 10, and y is 10, and the mouse x is going to be the mouse x. Oops. And my is going to be mouse y. And let's see the size. It's the same size as that, like the other stuff, 32. And the reason I just do just one variable because that's its height and its width. If it was different heights and widths, then we set up different variables for it. Okay. If mouse button. Let's just do check mouse button because we're just going for color right now. Mouse button left. If mx, I know we already went through this before. I should probably just copy and paste it. And mx smaller than x, could probably create some kind of function just to call to this, plus s, and my is larger than y, and my is smaller than y, plus s. Then global dot exit. I'm sure it would come up with this for me. Button color equals C dark gray. Else because it's kind of a refresher course right here. Okay, so that should change the color when we click on it. It doesn't uncolor. Oh, that's stupid. See white. Try it again. So bam, it's working. Okay, so the next one we will do the exit menu. And then after that, we'll start the game. Alright guys, y'all be good. Subscribe if you like my videos. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.